welcome back to my channel, Juliette's Joie de Vivre. Today I'm finally going to reveal my formal living room that's right here behind me that you guys can already see. So this is the first room we finished since we moved in, probably about 2 weeks now, and I just love this room. This was the first room I wanted to just get into, mostly because of that couch that I have been obsessed with, and I couldn't wait to get it out of the box to just stare at it. And it's so beautiful, and I really love how this room turned out. So let's get into it. So here we are inside the formal living room. This couch, I just am obsessed with it. I've been seeing a lot of curved couches online on Pinterest, and I was just like, you know what, my goal for 2021 is to own a curved couch. And I got her. I got her off the website House. Of course, I'll link everything down below, but she is beautiful. This couch, I'd say, is more firm. It's not like a kind of couch where, you know, you're gonna put in like a family room or a movie room, because it is firmer. I say this couch is like perfect for having cocktails here, maybe reading a book, having tea. Like, it's a very chic vibe, as you can see, but it's comfortable, but it's definitely on the firmer side. And then here we have this coffee table. I found, it's actually vintage. It's Italian Travertine, which actually goes with our floors because our floors are travertine as well. I ended up finding it on Instagram. I follow a bunch of different vintage websites on Instagram, and this is how I was able to find this one. And I suggest for you guys to do that as well too. Just follow a bunch of vintage pages on Instagram, and just one day I was lucky enough to find this one, and it came across my feed, and I was like, oh my god, I love this table, is it available? And I was able to have it delivered to my house. So this is a vintage find. So let's move in here and go in a little bit closer for some details. So the first item that I'm going to show you is this onyx bowl. It's really heavy. It's from CB2, and it comes in this onyx beautiful natural tan cream color that I think goes so well with the travertine table here. And then I threw in, this is from CB2 as well. These are the, I'm not sure of the name, but it's travertine. I'm pretty sure the material is travertine. Comes in this, you know, the tan cream travertine with like black bottoms that I just think works so well to add some contrast to this table. So I got 3 of those there. Then I threw in 2 of my favorite design books right now, and I completely love, I'm obsessed with Athena Calderon. I'm not too sure if that's how I say her name, but I follow her on Instagram, and everything she does is just like the bomb.com. So she is amazing. I love all her work and her design. So I have her book on my table for some inspo. And then another favorite book of mine is the New Chic French style, French modern design, which is the vibe I really wanted to execute in here. So this was great for inspiration as well. And then last but not least, I have these beautiful flower arrangements. Fresh flowers always just adds glamour and beauty to a room. Today I made these, and I went with hydrangeas, some ripe white roses, and some greenery just to add some more color to it. So I love how it turned out. I love having fresh flowers in the home. Okay, so moving on into the rest of the room, I added these 2 bouclé chairs from CB2. I think they're called the Gwyneth chair on CB2. I just love the fabric and the texture. It's just so fun, and bouclés everywhere. I just really loved how it paired very nicely with the couch, because I was going for a more monotone, as you can tell, I was going for a more monotone vibe, where all the colors are kind of in the same shade, maybe like 1 or 2 shades darker from each other, but really just really close in color. I wanted the room to just feel very relaxed, chic, with a little bit of French detailing, and just very polished and clean. So then, to add more color, more texture to the room, just to add more contrast, I added these velvet curtains. I love the color. I think it works really well with the room. They're so funny though because I love them when the light hits them. They shine like this amazing champagne color. But in the dark, as you can see right now, like when the light isn't directly on them, they're a little bit more tan. But when the light is on them, like I'll show you right now, when it's in the light, it is this beautiful, like look at it on the chair. It's a beautiful champagne color. I just love it. Okay, lastly, let's talk about the rug. The rug is from Overstock. It's a shag rug. And it comes, I got it in this nice ivory color. I think it comes in a bunch of different other colors as well. I'm not too sure, but I'll link everything. It's a low pile rug, so it's great for some traffic in the room, but it's not like a bedroom rug where it's super plush. It's good. I think it works really well with this room, with the length of the pile of the shag. It's very comfortable and it's really, really soft. Let me take my shoes off. It's really, really soft and I love rubbing my toes in it, and I think it completes the room so well. So that is it for my formal living room reveal. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it gave you a lot of ideas on how to add some chic, monotone, French modern vibes to your homes. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think, comment below. Let me know what kind of art you think I should put up there, or a gold mirror. I'm kind of thinking art, but let me know what you guys think and come on back for some more videos. Next up, I have either my pantry organizing video or we might take it upstairs and go to the bedroom. So thank you so much for watching this video, you guys, and I'll see you so soon. Bye!